Don't panic about COVID-19 vaccine side effect. You are racked with flu-like symptoms and anxious about your body's unpleasant reaction to the COVID-19 vaccine. Chills, muscle aches, fever, fatigue, and other unsavory side effects, they are completely normal and no cause for panic. With the two-dose vaccines, the first dose typically primes the immune response to the vaccine, creating antibodies. Basically, the first dose contains instruction telling your cells to make a harmless version of the virus spike protein, the spiky component on the surface of the pathogen, and then produce antibodies that will know how to fight the real thing. When you receive the second dose, you already have some level of protection from the antibodies to the spike protein target of the vaccine. This allows the immune system to respond more quickly and strongly to the vaccine. Although this can be uncomfortable, but it's a sign that your immune system is working to provide protection against the virus. On the flip side, if you feel totally fine after you get the vaccine, no need to worry. You can still have an adequate immune response even if you didn't experience side effects. Number 2, do rest up, stay hydrated, and take medicine if necessary. Sleep is an important component to immune system functioning, so make sure you get enough rest after your shot. Drinking plenty of fluids, just like you would with a cold. Some people have warned against preempting side effects by taking over-the-counter medication, like ibuprofen and acetaminophen, on the ground that they might interfere with your immune system and make the vaccine less effective. Number 3, do use your vaccine arm. Muscle soreness at the injection site is an especially common vaccine side effect. Use or exercise your arm. In addition to not letting it get too stiff, you can also reduce pain by applying a clean, cool, wet washcloth over the area. Number 4, do keep your vaccination card, but don't post it on social media. Proof of vaccination is starting to be required at certain travel destinations and venues, and a number of apps have been developed to digitalize that process. Number 5, don't stop wearing your mask in public. 4 weeks after getting your second shot of the vaccine, you can consider yourself fully vaccinated, which does open up a few doors for your social life. But larger get-togethers are still on the no list for everyone. Fully vaccinated or not, if you do find yourself indoor with people from multiple households, mask up. And you should absolutely keep wearing your mask and social distancing in all public places.